Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of modern agriculture with one of 2025's most advanced farming machines. It's a technological marvel that's reshaping how we grow food and manage farmland. This machine combines state-of-the-art automation with precision engineering to maximize efficiency and sustainability. Designed to tackle the challenges of modern farming, it offers features that save time, reduce and increase productivity. Whether it's planting, harvesting, or soil preparation, this machine does it all with unmatched precision. One of the standout features is its AI-powered control system. It uses real-time data from sensors to adapt to changing conditions in the field. From detecting soil moisture levels to identifying crop health, this machine ensures that every action is optimized. Farmers can monitor and control it remotely through a smartphone or tablet, making it incredibly user-friendly. The machine is also equipped with GPS-guided navigation, allowing it to operate autonomously. This not only eliminates the need for manual driving, but also ensures that tasks are performed with pinpoint accuracy. Straight lines, consistent coverage, and zero overlap mean less waste and more yield. It's all about getting the most out of every acre. Fuel efficiency and sustainability are at the heart of its design. The hybrid engine reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. Some models even support electric power, aligning with the global push for greener farming practices. This machine proves that productivity and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Durability is another key aspect. Built with high-quality materials and a robust design, it can withstand the harshest farming conditions. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to components and diagnostic systems that alert users to potential issues before they become problems. But it's not just about power and precision. This machine is also designed with comfort in mind. The operator cabin, when needed, is spacious, air-conditioned, and equipped with ergonomic controls. Long hours in the field are less tiring, ensuring that farmers can focus on the job at hand. This 2025 agricultural machine represents a leap forward for the farming industry.